Is your dog choking right now? Don't panic, but don't waste a second. What you do in the next 30 seconds could be the difference between life and death. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do before it's too late. Subscribe to Dr. Oo's Health Talk for more life-saving pet tips, because one day, this video might save a life, maybe even your dog's. Talking about one of the scariest emergencies any dog parent can face, choking. I'll walk you through step-by-step instructions on what to do if your dog is choking and how to prevent it in the first place. How to recognize choking. First, how do you know your dog is choking? Look for these signs. 2. Difficulty breathing, gagging or retching without bringing anything up, pawing at the mouth, excessive drooling or panic, blue or pale gums. If you see these signs, act fast. Time is critical. Stay calm and take control. Take a deep breath. Dogs can sense your panic. Stay calm so you can think clearly and help effectively. Open the dog's mouth. Gently but firmly open your dog's mouth. Use a flashlight or phone light to look inside. If you see an object and it's easily reachable, use your fingers or tweezers to remove it. Warning: never push the object deeper into the throat. Only attempt removal if it's clearly visible and you can grab it safely. Perform the dog Heimlich maneuver. PT for small dogs. Hold the dog with its back against your chest. Place your fist just under the rib cage. Give 5 quick thrusts inward and upward. PP for medium or large dogs. If standing, wrap your arms around the abdomen from behind. Make a fist and place it just behind the ribs. Give 5 abdominal thrusts, quick and firm. If your dog collapses, lie them on their side and continue thrusts. Sometimes, you'll need to alternate between thrusts and checking the mouth to see if the object dislodged. What if your dog stops breathing? If your dog is unconscious and not breathing, check for a heartbeat. Feel near the chest or inner thigh. Start rescue breathing. Close the dog's mouth. Breathe into the nose until the chest rises. Repeat every 4 to 5 seconds. Begin CPR if no heartbeat. 30 chest compressions plus 2 breaths. Continue until help arrives or the dog revives. When to go to the vet. Even if your dog seems okay after the choking incident, always visit the vet. The throat may be damaged or there may be leftover material in the airway. Better safe than sorry. Here's how to reduce the risk of choking. Avoid giving cooked bones or small toys. Supervise chewing time. Buy dog-safe toys that match your dog's size. Slow down fast eaters with slow feeder bowls. Learn dog CPR and first aid. It saves lives.